Hi, this is Dr. Joshua Crose with Capitis Medical and Aesthetics. I'd like to talk about stem cell therapies and provide you a little bit of a background and summary about how you can use these. Stem cell therapies have evolved over the past 20 years and are now very safe and can be used to treat a number of different ailments and are currently being researched to see which ones we can effectively prescribe and use. So there's over 20 different clinical trials across the country right now using both stem cells as well as stem cell exosomes or extracellular vesicles to treat these different diseases. And the cool part about this is there really have not been any adverse reactions or serious adverse reactions in any of these trials. So that means safety is paramount, and we can basically see that we're not getting any major side effects like you do with other types of drugs. So I would like to basically get rid of this notion and fear that stem cells can cause cancer or grow a horn or do something weird to the person that's getting them. They're actually very safe and very regulated. So a little background on it, there's now 3 different generations of stem cell therapies. When it first came out, it was actually getting your own stem cells, either from your bone marrow or from your fat tissue, and then we would actually give these back to you. The problem with this is finding out the exact number and concentration of these. This is still being done, but to lesser and lesser degrees. The second generation was actually using other people's stem cells, also harvested in a very similar manner, but actually giving you a different human stem cells. And this is safe because you're giving mesenchymal stem cells, which are early enough in the development of cells so that they don't have markers on them that cause an allergic reaction or cause your immune system to attack them in a graft versus host type of scenario. It doesn't do that, and so they're also safe, but that's a second generation. The third generation, which we are now fully immersed in, is stem cell extracellular vesicles or exosomes. Basically what these are is they're the second generation of cells, the stem cells, and they're activated in a culture under stressful conditions to release signals and communication signals. This is how stem cells and all cells work, actually. They send communication signals to one another in order to get the job done and change behavior of other surrounding cells. Well, these extracellular vesicles have all the great survival messages such as mRNA, silencing RNA, proteins, cytokines, parakines, all these things that get the job done in the human. And so we collect all of these things, purify them, concentrate them, and flash freeze them, and then we give them to you in a safe manner. So that is the third generation, and it's the safest generation, and we are treating all kinds of cool things. Once again, this is Dr. Joshua Crose. Have a wonderful day.